So the first thing we're gonna do is step touches. We're gonna do that about 16 counts. So it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So the first 8 count is with your arms just swinging out to the side. It could be a fist or just flex like this. It's fine. It's really up to you. It's really about just having fun and finding your own style. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second part, you're just gonna put your arms up around as fast or as slow as you really want to. This is where you find your comfort spot. Side, so you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna do that to 4 more counts. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you're gonna walk back. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, go back to the beginning because I did an error. Happens. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then before you stop for this one, then you go back 5, 6, 7, 8. Next part is, she goes, excuse my vocals again. So she goes, we have our ups and downs. It doesn't matter whether you go left or right first. What's going to be important is that you're going to tap and you're going to tap. And then the level of your body. So it's going to go up and down. What's going to happen is you do 2 ups and 2 downs. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 8 counts. And that's when you open here. You're like a heart. When there's love. I know, very cheesy, but that's what she says. When there's love. Here. So you're going to go here. You're going to look. And then you're going to open. So heart, look, open. And you're going to have your hands like this. And you're going to basically step to the side twice. So you're going to go. Let's do it without the arms. So your legs are going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to do the same thing the other side. 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to go heart, and your legs are slightly open or open. You're going to look up, open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And your head actually turns too. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What happens here after this one, and you're going to go one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to stop here. And then your arms are going to go around. And you're going to walk 5, 6, 7, 8. You could do, okay, so we go from here. Heart, look, open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, what's going to happen is that your legs is going to make a V. So you're going to go 1, 2, out, and then 3, 4, in. So it's going to go boom, 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 okay? So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to do that only 4 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? As your lower body does that, your arms are going to go, ha. So it's almost like representing the snow. So you're gonna, every time the snow is falling down, and then she says, and it is cold outside. So your leg is gonna come forward. It doesn't matter which leg it is. I use my right. It might look like the left on the screen. So you're gonna go 1, 2, and front and back, front and back. So this part, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Leg out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that comes right away. So every time the snow is coming down and it's cold outside. And I actually clap just to remind myself, but you don't have to. So this is just kind of like reminding me like you need to transition, okay? So every time the snow's coming down and it's cold outside. So what's gonna happen after there, depending on the leg you have, you're gonna step and you're gonna pivot back, right? You're gonna come together and then you're gonna do that hip thing like that. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What that looks like is da 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 da. No one cares about yesterday. Go over it twice slowly without music, and then we'll do it with music. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or this 5, 6, 7, 8. Go da 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 da. Da, 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 da. No one cares about yesterday. Open. And she says, my favorite holiday means more to me than words can say. And I claim. When she says, and I claim, you can just pose anywhere you want. You can do this, you can do this, you can this, whatever. It's just a pose. Just pose. Just freeze. Freeze. All right? Or you can just stay here, whatever you like. And I claim Christmas. And so what's gonna happen is you're gonna write same arm and same leg. Same arm and same leg. Christmas is a perfect I think she says a perfect day or a magic day. So Christmas is a magic day. And then she says, sometimes I tend to forget. So you're gonna go, I know in my original one, I put my hand here in the shoulder. You can do shoulder, or you can do this just to look more cuter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And sometimes you might catch me putting my hands here instead of down here. Totally up to you. Again, this is really about you finding your own style to it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then she goes, and it's fair to say you can pose. Christmas is a magic day. Let's try from the top one time. Last year I joined the crowd. Everything's getting wrong. Just like that if everyone is here. Celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs. But when there's love, there's always a way. And oh, it's time of year. Come together to celebrate. It's the time the snow is falling down. And it is cold outside. Gather around the fire. No one cares about yesterday. Our favorite holiday. It's so much more than words can say. And I pray. I'm gonna keep moving on. So from there, after the da 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 da, then you open, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a pose. And then she goes, Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget. Da 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 da. Christmas is a magic day. Let's do the walking back. I want you to step, and then you're gonna pivot and you're gonna pose. And then she goes,
I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way.
And then here you drag, right? And then you come back front, and you go walk, walk, and there's a part that goes da 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 da. So that part you're gonna go shake, 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 shake. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is a pause, okay? So it's like, it's not like you go right into it. So after da 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 da, okay? So there is a pause. So after da 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 da, what you're gonna just do is just walk, 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 and you're gonna go. We have our differences to the side, and then you're gonna do the step touch again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we get together to celebrate. So it's gonna be repeating. Every time the snow is falling down and it's cold outside, we gather around. No one cares about yesterday. And then it goes back to this, my favorite holiday. And it's fair to say, Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget. And it's fair to say, when she said, and it's fair to say, you just pose. Christmas is a magic day. There's gonna be a solo part. Really, this is a freestyle part, but what I pretty much do is do the air guitar thing. I'll do it about 4 to 8 counts. And then I do the step touch again. And I just do whatever comes to mind. This is more like, this is more of a freestyle. And then she goes, ooh. There's a ooh. So when you hear the ooh, you go, ooh. Ooh. This is more like, breathe and come down. And then it goes again. And then when the snow is coming down and it's cold outside, and it repeats right back to the top. Okay? I want you to do at the end is just pose. I go like this because this is what I ended with originally, but you can do whatever pose you want, or this, or cutesy, whatever you like. So we're just gonna go from the top. That will be it. That's your Christmas breakdown.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside. We gather around the fireplace and no one cares about getting